Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie, and today we're out on the water checking out a 2024 Sea Ray SLX 260. So we'll start way up here in the bow, where you can see at the very front we've got this nice non-skid door that does cover your windlass anchor there. So that's an awesome feature on here. You've got control of the windlass from the cockpit right at the helm. And then up here at the bow, you also do have a wash down up here for however you need to use that. Spray off the boat, spray off some feet, whatever you're going to use that for. Then you've got some storage up here under each of these seats, and then this seat here actually opens up and gives you access to a huge compartment right underneath your helm. Let you guys take a look at that in there. We'll lower this back down. Up here in the bow, you do have some in-floor storage, 2 cup holders, as well as 2 cup holders on the outside of the loungers. And then flip down armrest for each lounger up here as well. We'll head on back a little bit and take note of our wind dam door that you can close here. Looks great with this nice curved windshield closed. Gives you a uniform look, as well as storage under here as well. Over here on the port side, you do have your head. It's a very spacious, full sit-down head. Swing this open with that magnet that holds your door open. But you've got a sink in there. Plenty of room in there. Spacious head for a 26-foot boat here. Give that a twist, lock it back. On top of there, you do have a locking glove compartment. You can fit any kind of dry box needs in there. Then over here at your helm, you do have your dual SIMRAD screens. So you can use those for all of your needs while you've got the boat underway. You've got engine management, chart plotter, fish finder, anything you could need is going to be in those SIMRAD screens. As well as some manual controls over to the right of the steering wheel. And this boat does have Sea Ray's dynamic running system, which is your automatic Lenco trim tabs. You can see the controls for right there. This boat's got the Fusion stereo system, so you got speakers in the bow, in the cockpit, as well as 2 cannons up here on our big sport tower. And this is a power tower, so with the click of a button over here at the helm, it'll fold straight down, and the canopy actually rocks back to lay flat with it, giving an easy way to store this boat if you're putting it away, for the season or something like that. These big captain's chairs are full swivel, and each of them do have the bolster as well to give whoever's riding the most comfortable ride. And you've got your nice foot pedestals on the head door, as well as right below the steering wheel at the helm here. Huge in-floor storage compartment on the ground right here. Let's take a look at that. We got the cover in there now, but that is a great spot to store any kind of toys, tubes, skis. Plenty of room in there to store whatever you need. Move on back a little bit more. One of my favorite things on this boat is the amount of power you get. You flip this latch, you can see our big 350 6.2 V8 from Mercruiser. This is the C-Core motor, so it has a closed coolant system. It really helps with winterization using the boat in the colder months. Close that up. And then on the topic of favorite features on here, you do have this extendable canopy right here at the top. So if you make sure your straps are loose, got one over here, you can actually push this canopy out and it'll fully extend over your big sun pad here. You catch the sun at the right time and it's going to cover the shade almost the entirety of this pad here. Then a little bit more on the storage on this boat is this compartment over here where your battery switches are held as well. But that is just another massive compartment on board here. You can fit almost anything you need. You can fit a full paddleboard or wakeboard in there if you wanted to. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give me a call at 803-610-7828. And that's me, Blake Holbrooks.